Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Proxy Sale online tool to utilize a UTM tag generator and obtain a link with an embedded UTM tag that will direct users to the required website, but with one distinctive feature. Using these tags, it will be clear exactly which words, buttons, or banners motivated a person to visit the landing page you need. The online UTM tag generator from Proxy Sale is compatible with a wide range of traffic sources, Google, Facebook, and Instagram, and can also be used for advertising platforms like Mail and MyTarget. To use the tool and generate a link with a UTM tag, navigate to the More Tools tab and select UTM Builder. Enter the URL of the page you want to track. Follow the on-screen instructions to fill out the necessary information for each UTM tag parameter. After filling in all fields and generating the UTM tag, you can copy the link or opt to create a short URL. This makes the link easier to use and read. You can use the links with the UTM tags not only on your websites but also attach them to banners and buttons. Additionally, you can create hyperlinks by associating the new URLs with any words in your advertising text. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.